Good morning to everyone. Last video we have discussed about the design process and then analysis phases. Now we are going to see about the how the FEM will be helps to design engineers. The FEM offers many important advantages to the design engineers. In this the first one, easily applied to complex or irregular shaped objects composed of several different materials and having complex boundary conditions. In this, the complex or irregular shaped geometries for testing will be very difficult. And then the mathematical formation of equations also very difficult. And then several different materials involving for a small structural objects. At the time we are implementing the materials for a different conditions, it is a very difficult one. And then complex boundary conditions, the constraints and loadings applying in an irregular shapes and irregular points, these are accompanying for in our particular objects, it will be very difficult one. So that we are moving for an FEM, we can easily apply for a complex shape or irregular shapes, any type of objects, and then different material conditions involving in a particular objects, and then different force or constraints in an objects can easily able to solve it. And then second one, applicable of FEM for different conditions, steady state conditions, time dependency and eigenvalue problems. Here depends upon the steady state conditions. Without time dependency objects for static structures, and then time dependency, any objects in a dynamic motion conditions, that will also we can able to solve it. And then we can able to solve an eigenvalue problems also. Then applicable to linear or non-linear problem. In this, the output will be dependency or non-dependency problems. Next, one method can solving a wide variety of problems, including problems in solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, chemical reaction, electromagnetics, biomechanics, heat transfers, acoustic, electromagnetics, and so on. For a single package, we can able to solve different types of problems. For solid mechanics, here we are going to solve about the structural problems in a linear or non-linear, static, dynamic, any condition of any type of conditions. In fluid mechanics, we can solve the fluid flow or an wind flow, all the things we can able to solve the fluid mechanics. In the chemical, we have find the chemical combinations and then reactions. And then electromagnetics, we can find the electric supply process and voltage movements, biomechanics, and then heat flow, all the things we can able to solve in a single package. Then the general purpose of FEM softwares, so all the things we can able to solve by using as softwares. The general purpose of FEM software packages are available at reasonable cost, so minimum cost they can able to buy a FEM softwares with the limited elements, can readily install in the microcomputers or otherwise in workstations, so that will be apply for minimum cost. In addition of some of the FEA packages will be included in CAD software programs also for solid modeling and meshing of generation problems. Many FEA software packages features of GA interface, auto meshing is also available, sophisticated post process and graphics to be speed the analysis and make pre or post processor for most user friendly. So many packages, the meshings will be make it as an automations, and then easily adaptable and sophisticated post processor results can able to make it in graphical form or in a record structure, image structures. So thank you for watching this video.